Are you looking for a part-time service crew member? If so, I am Angeline May Amba Douglas, and I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as a part-time service crew member will ultimately benefit your organization. I am currently taking up a bachelor's degree in accountancy in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. As a learning student, I have acquired much knowledge and have developed my skills and abilities. And I am thinking that my credentials and interests match with your requirements in this field. I have a pleasing personality and of good character. Being a student, I have developed my communication skills. I am capable of conversing in Filipino and English. My grasp in these languages will make better understanding between the customers and I. I have a strong work ethic, and I can effectively interact with people across all levels in the organizational structure. I am a fast learner and very much willing to learn. I am confident that, despite the lack of work experience in this field, I can assure that I can do my job well done. I will be able to master the skills needed in this job to achieve my goals as well as the company's goals. I believe I can be an asset to your organization. For further information, I will, I will, I,